are doing the Force in Motion experiment / project. I will be testing out different surfaces using this toy rev-up car. According to test 1, we got 56 inches. On test 2, we have 131 inches. Smoother surfaces have less friction, which is therefore why the car moves smoother and has a greater distance on the cement.
Okay, do you have anything else you want to tell me about the squirrel and what happens in the winter?
So the squirrel goes into in the snow, and then when it comes back up, it gets hungry. It comes in here.
I'm a 5th grader at Copper Creek Elementary School. Today, I'll be showing you how to code a robot through a maze. So we're gonna want it to turn right. 90 degrees?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, start.
Okay, so first I grabbed an empty water bottle, then I had to cut it up, and then I put a coffee filter, then I put some pads, cotton pads, and then I put a small sheet of Bounty paper towels. Let's hope this works. And as you can see here, it is now working.
But how does a kaleidoscope work exactly?
Well, light travels in a straight line. So, when it bounces off the foil, it creates the illusion of kaleidoscope.
And for our project, we're seeing which worms can eat a banana faster, red worms or night crawlers.
The night crawlers have won. We have proven that the night crawlers are better decomposers.
Hi, I'm Lily Carr. I'm Lily Mitchell.
And I'm Cole Merle.
We are in 5th grade at Eagle Mountain Elementary. Today we'll be talking about our squishy circuit plane and how we made it. Electricity flows in a loop called a circuit. A circuit starts and stops at the battery pack and flows through wires and conductive duct. An open circuit is an incomplete circuit. A closed circuit is a complete one.
I'm Ben.
I'm Addie.
And I'm Renee. And for our STEM project, we chose to launch rockets into space from the moon. It's stored with potential energy. It will transfer that into kinetic energy into the second rock magnet, which will then have enough force to launch the rocket. To the next to propel the rocket. These are my results. Test 1 and 2 were pretty average, and test 3 didn't go far. So it's not the most consistent, but when it works, worked well.
The next major subject we learned about was projections regarding structures and engineering. By taking a 3D model as shown on the top image, we had to look for the top, front, and side views based on what was presented.
These 3 forms do not, and I'm going to show how it works. Now the blades are rotating.
What did you create?
Well, me and Porter, we created it's basically a ping pong game, but it is coded using Scratch, and it's based on science. These are the codings that I use, but Porter is the one, he types in all of the facts about space.
I am Ezra, and I'm doing a 30-second video for Ultra Maker Kira and my design
process. This is just a bottle opener, what we made in class for this last week. It was really easy to make, just used a lot of different functions, and I made it.
So let's imagine that this red dye here was a pollutant. And look at the difference of it being in an unconfined aquifer versus a confined aquifer. How would you solve this problem?